Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Region channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS ProArt PA602 Wood Edition chassis. So friend, ASUS has announced the ProArt PA602 Wood Edition APC case that bolster the aesthetic and sustainability of the original creator focus PA602 chassis with part contrasted of durable and eye-catching wood, and the case is seamlessly integrated wooden piece into three locations and start with long handle along the top edge of the chassis and each sturdy enough to hold 30 kg, and second wood piece provide eye-catching backdrop on the front IO panel, and finally long wood piece are used on ventilated front panel of the chassis, and the wood used the ProArt PA602 Wood Edition is certified by the Forest Stewardship Council means FSC, so user can trust the was sourced from responsible managed forest and as the wood of choice because it offers superior hardness and durability and versus wood such as a walnut, and after selecting ideas piece of lumber and the material durability is enhanced with a temper wood treatment and shaping of the surface grinding refine each piece of the extract specification and two-step coating process highlight a natural appearance of the wood grain and apply a low seam finish, and the wood element of the cases elevate its sophisticated professional work with the minimalistic design and rooted is clean line pleasing symmetrically, and the inside the chassis dual air deflector helps send cooling air where it is needed the most. A lengthy panel along the front edge of motherboard try gently nuddets and the air storm over the top edge of the motherboard for reduced turbulence and to ensure great cooling for the CPU and power delivery circuitry, and the PSU shroud also feature an angle front edge of direct airflow toward the graphics card, and the side panel of two choices. One version includes a metal side panel that provides cooling efficiency and durability, and the second option includes sophisticated tempered glass side panel that puts the inner working of a PC on display. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.